In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the DNS settings on your Android device. DNS, or Domain Name System, is responsible for translating domain names into IP addresses. Changing your DNS settings can help improve your internet speed and security. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, tap Connections. And then scroll down a bit and tap More Connection Settings. After that, tap where it says Private DNS. And then tap and select Private DNS Provider Hostname. And then enter a hostname. Tap Save to save changes, and close this. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.